So I thought I would just turn the camera on really quick and show you what I've got going on. I put all of my baking ingredients out on Sundays to bake, and I've got the oven preheated. I've got bread rising in here. It's looking lovely. And then I have some mini banana breads that have come out of the oven, and I've decided to make more because I want to deliver them to some people around town. And I've got my meat out thawing for dinner. And yeah, this is my new Sundays. So this is banana mushed up, 3 bananas. This recipe is really, really easy. I will link to it below the video so that if you want to make this, you can. But I just thought I would turn on the camera, and I might be really brave later and try to make a peanut butter chocolate swirl bundt cake. I haven't decided if I'm going to be brave enough to try it yet or not. It's in this new cookbook that I got, which is was recommended by the Budget Mom. She is so awesome. And yeah, oh, there's one of them. But it's in here somewhere, the bundt cake is, that I want to, oh, I think it's actually right. There it is. So I really want to make this, but I'm a little intimidated. So we will see. If I end up making it, I definitely will take pictures and share it in this video. And I'm going to use these baker boxes from Stampin UP to put my mini banana breads in. So these are retiring. You won't be able to get these anymore. And I'm hoping when this video comes out that you still can. But the item number is 147899. They're little baker boxes, and 2 of these will fit in one of these boxes. So the rest of this video is going to be me decorating these boxes and making them cute and ready for delivery. Okay, as promised, I'm now in my office. This is how I wrapped the banana breads. So it's a little baker's box. These boxes are still available when I'm recording this. You can get them on the Stampin' Up site. I've linked to it below to my shop. And then the little breads are inside, and I went ahead and wrapped them in cling wrap because I just wanted to make sure that they stayed fresh. And I felt like it was more sanitary. So there's the box. And then I've decided to use these little corner dies from the botanical, oh, I can't remember the name of it. Let me grab it really quick so you can see. It's this stamp set and dies, and these are on sale. And it also makes these little triangular dies. So these are on sale right now if they're still available. Like I said, we have the retiring list happening, so it's very possible that I could be recording this, and by the time you watch it, the items are no longer available. So I'm just gonna put some glue mainly on the edges of these because I just thought they were really pretty, but I don't want to overdo it because I don't want it to be a mess. And then I'm gonna put them in kind of like the corner of the box on 2 sides. And everybody's box will just get decorated the same because that's the easiest when you're mass producing. It's just a lot easier to make everything the same. I considered making these really elaborate and fancy with lots and lots of decoration. But in truth, I want to get them dropped off. I don't want to be out doing this late at night. When I'm recording this video, it is Sunday. And so I just wanted to do this today. And, you know, during this time with everything we have going on, in the world, I just feel like there's no better way to show that you love people by doing small things like this. And this didn't cost a lot of money, and it just cost time, you know? It took time for me to bake the breads and make the little tag here that I'm gonna make. But I'm keeping it really simple. So this just says, just a little reminder that you are loved. And this is from the A Wish for Everything stamp set. And I apologize if you hear my dog whining in the background. She whined to get into this room where I'm working. And now she's whining to get out of the room. So, you know, that's life with a Vizsla. They just don't know what they want. Okay, so we are gonna tie this. I chose this ribbon because it's thick and it's soft, but it's pretty. And I just wanted to be able to put a nice thick ribbon around this with a big bow on it. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna double knot it first, because that kind of holds your ribbon in place. And then we'll do a bow. Not my best decorating job I've ever done, I will admit, as far as the decorations on top of the bread, on the box. I might fancy a box up and do a really fancy one or something. But you know, people don't care. That's the thing, is I think we oftentimes, now I need my scissors. Okay. I think we oftentimes overthink things and make things too complicated, and then stuff just doesn't get done. Where I would much rather keep it more simple and get it done and bless somebody than not. Okay, now I need twine and I can't find that. Okay, I had some black baker's twine that's just old that I haven't used. So I'm just gonna tie the little tag on with this. So we just slid this under. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add this way. And we'll do a little bow. And there we have it. Okay, I'm trying. Oh. I don't know if you can hear that saw in the background. My husband's outside making me planter boxes. God love him. Okay, I'm gonna trim this off and we're done. There we have it. A cute little box, super simple, super easy, just a little reminder that you are loved. And I might put a card with it because I've got some cards made that I might use also. So that's the video for today. If you want to purchase any of these products, you can get them in my online store. The links for everything I've used today are below the video. This is a really cool tag punch. You punch the little tag and then you can punch the little hole or a slit. So it just depends on kind of how you want to add a tag to something, but it's a really versatile little punch. So I'll link to all the products that I've used today below, along with the recipes for both my bread that's in the photo at the end of this and my little cakes here. And actually, technically they're breads. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye.